Just go through your recipe, prepare each one individually. You have to start the timing now. Water. I'm eyeballing again. Any vegetable you like. Red chilies, coriander and all of this stuff. Just add it like this on top. Add cheese. And here you'll see the ingredients which I've got. Jaggery, a tablespoon of salt. And this is around 100 grams of tamarind, of Karippu Puli or old tamarind, to give it a nice dark color. Just go and add it as a layer on top. See? Now this fills up the pot. Let me close this. The layering has taken us just 2 minutes. So that is getting done. Now we are going to okay. You can release it now to show you how it looks. There is no need to hurry, see? It's just taken us 12 minutes. There you go. Look at that. That looks nothing like a puli kuழம்பு as usual. But don't worry. All you need to do is to start mixing. Okay? Now look at it. That is a concentrate. Can you see how the tamarind gets completely dissolved? See? I've added raw tamarind pulp. I've just removed the seeds and the fibers. Now look at that. It gets nicely mashed. Now this is highly concentrated puli kuழம்பு. What a beauty. I'm drooling at this. This gets better as it ages, and dilute it with a bit of water to the consistency you like. Now look at it. See the magic happening here? Goodness. See? I'm so happy with the consistency and color. Wow. You can make this with almost any vegetable you like. Now, this is still very concentrated. Look at that.